Okay, hello everyone, welcome you to join our webinar on Industry 4.0. So before we actually start, let me introduce our speakers today. So on my left side is Brian Lan, the Business Development Manager. Then David Ren,
hello,
Product Manager from Intelligent System Group. And last one, Frank Zheng,
hello,
Product Manager from Intelligent Connectivity Group. Let me start with the whole IoT topology. The concept of intelligent planet was designed having three layers in mind. Instrumented layer is where all the data, such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, are being acquired. That involves a variety of I/O modules, edge computing devices, and so on. The second, interconnected layer, represents the industrial communication computing, networking infrastructure that delivers acquired data up to the top layer, cloud computing. Cloud computing, where all the big sum of data are analyzed and distributed to different private clouds, such as a medical or retail. Once IoT infrastructure is at place, there are plenty of new applications. Smart services, for example, let retailers better understand customers' behavior. Smart city optimizes the heavy traffic flow with intelligent transportation. And at last, Industry 4.0, of course. That's the major segment we'll talk about today to show you how can Advantech solution let you join the latest technology trend in manufacturing. Brian, if you look at Industry 4.0, what is the Advantech role in this technology shift?
Okay, before this question, I would like to use this picture that you all have a clear picture for Industry 4.0. Under the structure of Industry 4.0, a smart factory forms an integral part of the future manufacturing. Smart factory is based on a new structure that combines the benefits of process applications and advanced analytics to help businesses and factories manage their resources, processes, and systems more efficiently. Data collected by devices across production lines, logistics systems, and plant sites are processed and analyzed to provide meaningful information to decision makers. Smart factory can also lower the effect from labor shortage and instability to keep productivity. So we think there are 5 domains in a smart factory to fulfill above-mentioned objectives. These 5 domains are MES, production testing equipment, machine automation, predictive maintenance, and factory environmental monitoring. Due to the cost of labor will be more and more expensive in developed countries, how to decrease human resources and raise the efficiency of productions is the foundation in Industry 4.0. The solution for this issue should be to increase the capability of machine automation and the production testing equipment in the facility. I would like to take some examples to explain it by the videos. These videos were captured at the scene of Advantech factory. Firstly, you can see the robots are applied for painting the case. Painting is a very complex process. It is hard work and toxic, as well as needing consistent results throughout the whole production. Another great aspect of using a painting robot is the reduction of waste material. Since the robots are equipped with a low flow meter, the exact same amount of paint is distributed on each part. Another example for saving human resource by machine automation is application of AGV. Through the use of advanced AGV technology and the wireless router, vehicles can be quickly reprogrammed to change paths and operations, eliminating the need for expensive retrofitting. New directions, tasks, work cells can be created almost instantaneous with the need for physical equipment installation. Furthermore, please take a look at the video on bottom of this page. These 2 videos are the applications by using production test equipment, PTE, can help production line to save testing time and get more quality assurance by using the technology of automatic motion control and machine vision. David, for this ERP, could you share about the product coverage of Advantech and what's the benefit when customers choose Advantech?
Thank you, Brian. Over the past 20 years, industrial computers have been more widely used in industrial applications. Advantech, as the leader of industrial PC, our core competence is developing comprehensive computing platform to be the one-stop shop for system integrators and the equipment builders. Regarding the 5 big domains as Industrial 4.0, as Brian mentioned, the topology structure is from edge computers to cloud computers. For instance, MES and the production profile domain requires information transmission from edge computers in the front-end equipment to MES server in the control room. Advantech could provide full-range computing platforms such as microbus computer as edge computer and the servers and the storage as MES server. Not only the MES application, but also we can provide a total computing platform solution to other 4 domains as well. Recently, we found there are 2 major trends of edge computers. First one, regarding the production line space is limited in the factory. The first trend is to minimize the size of edge computers. The other one, customers become more and more vertical application intensive. What they need is not just an IPC, but also an application-ready system with all-in-one functions and the designs for vertical market. In order to catch the 2 major trends of edge computers, Advantech developed the new product line of compact systems. We have 2 product series, ARC-V and AIMC for general machine automation. ARC-V is an entry computing system with finesse design for harsh environment and targeting robots and machinery controller applications, such as motion control and sensor measurement. As for AIMC, has high computing power and is suitable for image acquisition and video analysis applications. Both of ARC-V and AIMC are compact-sized systems to facilitate equipment builders to integrate them into production line, and they have expansion slots capability, which is flexible to equipment builders to extend the function car they need. Furthermore, we also focus on the vertical application, so we develop AIs as a machine vision system. Machine vision system requires high CPU computing power for multiple cameras to do high-resolution image acquisition and high frame rate grabber. Machine vision system also must have mainstream camera interface. AI's eyes supports Core i7 quad-core CPU and up to 4 PoE or USB 3.0 cameras. We also collaborate with Tier 1 camera vendors, Buster and PointGray, to do fully compatibility and bandwidth test. ICE is definitely the most reliable and powerful machine vision system for image applications such like AOI, vision inspection, and vision guidance robotics.
Thank you, David.
You're welcome, Thomas.
Brian, you were talking about the major domains of Industry 4.0, but what other application can be done with products developed by Advantech ISG Group?
Okay, I think the trend of modern factory is heading towards automated production as the development goals. A traditional manufacturing execution systems, MES, which focuses on only gathering data and the report analysis, cannot meet the requirements of this fast-changing era. The new generation of MES is the core system of automatic factors that not only retains the existing service range, but also covers the functions of CIM, EAP, equipment connectivity, and integrating robotic arms to meet the objective of factory automated control by gaining massive data analysis in real time to improve the product quality and customer satisfaction, as well as to reduce production cost and maximize the benefit of enterprise. Advanced MES should be online in real time to administer every work item precisely. The report is applicable for complete report query and real-time report generation. Various mobile devices like smartphone, pad, can be used to query the report and get the factory status immediately. It can integrate into business intelligence in the enterprise so that the manager can view the report of production line thoroughly. You can say MES is the brand of smart factory, so the reliability of platform which carries MES is quite important. David, from the view of a product manager, what's the features of intelligent system can give customers guarantee about the system reliability? I mean, how to increase system reliability by some specific design?
Okay, thank you, Brian. In the Industrial 4.0, one of the key elements is the capability of machine-to-machine. We call it end-to-end capability. The end-to-end capability, which empowers to transform the IPC into the intelligent system by virtue of the advantages of embedded core technology. Advantech software and hardware R&D engineers have successfully designed a comprehensive perception device, intelligent system module, ISM. Like the human nerve center, ISM is able to detect the status of key components in industrial computers, such as system temperature, fan speed, voltage, and hard disk health. If a system suffers any abnormal status, a warning alert is triggered and an LED indicates the problem. The system maintainer and the supervisor can easily see the issue and do some efficient troubleshooting with short system downtime. Taking the relatively fragile fan as an example, when its speed is too low, ISM will automatically sound an alarm and the LED indicates a fan abnormality. Field staff can quickly diagnose the problem and replace the fan. In addition to the system status warning capability, smart fan technology enables ISM to dynamically adjust the fan speed according to the system needs so as to maintain efficient and stable operation, as well as reducing noise and saving power. During the planning and the development of ISM, Advantech also took on-site factors into account, such as unmanned facilities and harsh weather environments. Since some sites do not necessarily have staff on duty, we have vigorously promoted the system management software, SUSE, to effect centralized system management and remote data monitoring. In the past, this software only monitored the situation on the motherboard, such as CPU temperature, fan speed, but after combining with ISM, it can now provide more system status information, such as system temperature, system fan speed, and the system voltage, and even vibration status and the humidity. This all can be monitored for truly intelligent system management. Prominent in the IoT age, Advantech is a leader in intelligent systems and provides total comprehensive IoT solution for our partners. Solution features intelligent processing and reliable transmission. Although ISM forms only a small part of an entire intelligent system, it is definitely the most critical one when it comes to connecting to the cloud to the farthest outlying devices. And the ISM, this last mile application, complements SUSE, which manages nodes along the network backbone, thus considerably boosting system management quality and helping our solution fulfill the promise of comprehensive and effective management.
Thank you, David. I think we all know that a functional facility monitoring control system and predictive maintenance is crucial for manufacturing quality control. Brian, can you tell us more details about these two segments?
Okay. Firstly, I would like to talk about predictive maintenance. In order to make sure near zero breakdown of equipment, Intelligent Maintenance System, IMS, actively implement predictive maintenance and health management techniques in industrial production. The system predicts and evaluates the performance of degradation process of equipment and the product. Different from the early diagnosis of malfunction, the intelligent maintenance focuses on predicting the entire performance of degradation process of equipment and the product, rather than diagnosing the performance at some points. After data processing, the vibration, sound, temperature, and other raw data obtained from equipment can be extracted to several effective features. The extracted features are used for the analysis and evaluation of health status. The health of the equipment is concluded by comparing the initial condition, standard condition, and the current situation. The precision of data relies on measurement results from DAQ module and reliable platforms. Advantech focuses on developing some fanless platforms to reduce the malfunction caused by critical environment. For example, in semiconductor industry, since the factory of automation is improved consistently, facility management control system contributes to a close supervision for stability and accuracy of temperature and moisture in the clean room. Also, FMCS is applied to watch for the amount of waste gas emission and to avoid waste gas emission over standard. Other monitoring items include power, HVAC, wastewater recycling, and so on. You can easily use Advantech's ADA module to collect all data from sensor which distributed over where it needs. The data through AKI, it means industry switch, is gained by SCADA server, which produces lots of reports let managers understand the status, trend, and history. Therefore, according to the information come out from FMCS, managers could solve trouble, manage and control system on remote site. So high-performance PC is essential to be the SCADA server, which is able to handle huge data and deliver data rapidly.
Thank you both for introduction. The potential and innovative value of Industry 4.0 is enormous. Yet there is one last thing missing in the whole infrastructure, the one that is linking all of the components together into one system, a networking switch. For a manufacturing facility, a networking switch is as important as a neural network for a human body. What offerings does Advantech have for industrial communication? This is a question for you, Frank.
Yes. Thanks, Thomas. As you can see, there are a great variety of products we, the Advantech, can offer for factory. As the last mile to compare the new generation factory, networking is the key to build up the whole infrastructure. Depends on different scenario or application. Customer can choose suitable products from full management switch to unmanaged switch, and also to device server and wireless AP. It is already very well known about the Industrial 4.0, and to achieve this, it is an important theme between integration. In the past, on-site engineers are using SCADA for some working like process control, machine control, and others. And the IT engineers are using MMS for network management. These two would be individual before, but now via the infrastructure of networking and the integration of SCADA and MMS, users can monitor and ensure the stability of factory from devices to control center. This shows the basic overview about factory. On-site engineers are operating on production line. And for the Advantech industrial switch, we support different industrial protocols such as Modbus, CC-Link, Ethernet IP, or Profinet in the future. This means they can be compatible with Rockwell or Siemens PLC. And for second layer, users can consider flow management switch for like a RAN or some other advanced function. As for the control center level, users can apply WebSS MMS for the networking management. This can be a great benefit for networking status monitoring. To conclude, customers can finalize the overall networking infrastructure through our comprehensive product lines and the software. Connectivity is very important to realize the Industrial 4.0 to make a factory intelligent. We at Advantech can provide such as device server, gateway, wireless AP, and to top level like flow managed switch. Designed with ruggedized and high reliability, these products are very suitable for harsh environments. Finally, we believe customers can choose a total solution to enable intelligent factory, not only IPC or system, but also networking products from now on.
The Industry 4.0 solutions lead the latest change in manufacturing technology. It is no longer just a concept on a paper, but an ongoing process taking place today. In this leading technology shift, the one who comes first gains tremendous business opportunity. As for intelligent manufacturing, Advantech already created the application-ready platforms and solution-ready platforms for the key 5 domains. Choose Advantech intelligent systems that deliver high effective and stable PC platform, empowering complex integration. Join Advantech efforts to grasp the Industry 4.0 opportunity at the very beginning and reap the benefits of being an early adopter. Thank you very much.